Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given an inequality and we are going to find the greatest possible value of x. Part A will be a perfect square, part B will be a prime number. Even before we go straight into part A, part B, we need to solve the inequality here that is given. Okay? And I saw that there's a fraction. And the very first step for Mr. Tan, you will realize is that I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides so that I can eliminate the denominator. And therefore, you will get 2 times the x plus 1. Now, the next step is to continue to solve. I will have 3x, I would have negative 15, I would have positive 2x, positive 2, and then you will see Mr. Tan minusing 2x on both sides. Why does Mr. Tan do that? Yes, Mr. Tan is trying to make sure the right hand side of the inequality side do not have a x, meaning do not have variable. You will also see Mr. Tan plus 15 on both sides as well, so that the left hand side, this one will become 0, so the left hand side will only left with 3x minus 2x. Nice, positive 1x. The right hand side is 2 plus 15, 17. And from here, we can then get the two answers. Part A, a perfect square. What is the greatest possible value of x for part A? If it is going to be a perfect square. So in case you are not very good at this kind of question, this is what Mr. Tan would recommend. I would actually recommend you to draw a number line. And since x cannot be is smaller than 17, so this is just something for us to take note of. Then actually I can see the answer very clearly already, right? Because the perfect square, I saw a perfect square number there already. Where is it? 16 is a perfect square. And so, if I were to continue this, because I realize that it may not continue to see it. So if I continue to draw this number line and extend this number line, then you start to see that there could be 13, 12. Then I also can see that my perfect square is 16. So that's the answer for part A. Part B, prime number. I also see it cannot be 17. Although 17 is a prime number, this inequality does not equal to 17. It must be less than 17. I saw the largest prime number also. So answer for part A, 16. Answer for part B, 13. With that, we have come to the end of this problem and this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.